All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. It's been a while, ain't it? Look, but we have been busy. We've been doing a lot of other jobs. A lot of them have been small, and we don't really want to, film something short and boring for you guys. So today we got a lot of cleanup on this job. It's not really like a brand new landscape. It's more like we're refreshing and adding a few of our own touches to it. So
a lot of refreshing.
So we can see you guys in a minute. Oh, but got to get the dead out, boys. All right, so I've got Luke and Aiden back there. They're working on the crepe myrtles. There's a lot of dead that was growing in them, so they're doing that while they're doing that, I'm going to be tearing out this bed right here. Well, we're getting there. I think this place is pretty overgrown to begin with. Some of the places looked okay, but the bed that we're working on right now is just out of control. So we're trying to get to where a lot of it's going back to grass, but we got to make some of it a bed. I've got some ideas, but there are some spots that I don't know what to do with. So figuring it out. All right, so it's the next day, and I got Sam with us. They got finished mowing early. We've actually been working a little while this morning, and I completely forgot to film. So far we've got this pretty much cleaned up. All the bushes trimmed, everything down through here cleaned up and ready. There's still quite a bit to do. We've got this side of the driveway cleared. It's going back to grass. We fixed the bed down here by the driveway, and there's still a lot of things on the side of the house. Let me flip the camera around. So this section, we're kind of trying to reuse what they have and also put, do some cleanup, do our own little things on it, but I'll still working within what they have. So, I mean, that bed looks pretty good. We're going to get the weeds cleaned up out of it. That one's fine. We got it trimmed up. This bed, we're going to add some plants. We're going to mulch around this tree, add some more hostas in here, maybe a few like flowering plants. And then along the back, you can see that. That's going out, going back to grass. So there's still quite a few things to do. So a lot of things to figure out. Just trying to make everything look as nice as we can, while also working within the budget and working within what they kind of have already. So, all right, so we're back from lunch, and while we was on lunch, we decided to take a little pit stop at the local fireworks store because 4th of July is coming up. And Nate has decided he snuck and bought some of those little popper shells. So he's been scaring the crap out of me and Sam with it since we got back. Yeah. Oh gosh. More rock. I need to get this rock up, but I might try to scrape this.
Scrape it back.
Get that paper out of it, yeah. What do you think?
This thing got stuck.
Huh?
Yeah. This thing has to stuck. Yeah.
Why?
You come in, take it out and scoop it. Back down this way. Good.
Why not do that when we're just going to shovel that? Why did I fill that bucket up when we're just going to back drag? Dump it all out.
It's like one of them videos where the heat's getting to you.
Like headbutt one of those boulders. All right, good morning and welcome back. Last time you saw us working was Friday. And I know this is gonna be like right in the middle of the video, so it's kind of weird, but it's been, 5 days since we last started on this job, or you last seen us on this job. And so Friday we stopped and we took the weekend off. Monday, me and Nate showed up and started cleaning up the rest of the bed that was the last thing you saw us working on. We needed to finish getting all the rock out of it. And I didn't want to film that because it's just more shoveling. You've seen us doing that already, and so I wanted to just get it over with, get it cleaned up, moved on to the next job. The thing is, after we finished cleaning that rock up, we were on our way to get topsoil because there was a few spots in the yard that we were taking back to grass. The bed was getting removed. We already removed it. You saw us do that, and it's going back to grass seed. Sam and Aiden were out mowing, and Sam got stung by a bee. It turns out Sam is deathly allergic to bees, so that was kind of like an emergency ordeal. I did feel appropriate filming it, but I'll throw some pictures that Sam sent to us from the hospital. So that, between all that and then putting the topsoil down, I just didn't film any of that. So today is Wednesday. Yesterday I went and got plants. Today's Wednesday. I'm going to get mulch, and we're going to get started putting the plants in and putting the mulch in. So I'll film that, and so we'll see you guys in a minute. Well, look who showed up to work today. All right, Loki's here. He's gonna start putting all these plants in. It's kind of how I have them spaced out. And I'm over here working on these little mulch beds. All right, so I've got Luke working on the plants. I'm going to get the tractor and work on this bed over here that we took out most of it, turning it back to grass, but along those bushes are going to be a bed. So I'm taking these big rocks because every bed here is lined with them. So I saved a bunch from beds we'd removed, and I'm going to use them back over there and edge out the bed with these, and then we'll start mulching. All right, so we got that bed done. We'll go grab some lunch, and then me and Luke's gonna finish getting the plants in the back, and then it's time for mulch. Okay, so all the plants are in. One bed is mulched, but currently we're under an extreme heat warning. What does it say it is, Luke?
95.
But what does it feel like?
Feels like 95.
Oh, it feels like 95. So it's really hot, really humid. It's so we're trying to stay as cool as we can, take breaks as often as we can, so we don't end up in the hospital like Sam and his bee stings. Well, we ran out of mulch just short of finishing it, so we had to go to Walmart and get some bag mulch because it wasn't enough to justify making a trip to go get a big bunch of it. So this should match pretty good. We'll get it down and then we'll show you what it looks like after. Well, Nate, we survived and we got it finished. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't already subscribed, I'd really appreciate it. That'd be awesome. And we'll see you guys next time.